To define a noun's gender, you need to look at its initial form and the way you see that noun in the dictionary. By the way, any Russian dictionary will also tell you the noun's gender. And then we need to compare the noun's initial form to the Russian personal pronouns он, она, оно, они. We need to pay attention to what they end in. Он, he, ends in a consonant, on. So similarly, most Russian nouns that end in a consonant will also be a he or masculine. Глаз, нос, лоб. Она, she, ends in a. And the nouns that also end in a will mostly be feminine. Голова, она. Рука, она. Нога, она. Оно, and it ends in o and gives us a hint that nouns ending in o will be neuter. Лицо, оно. Ухо, оно. Плечо, оно. By the way, notice when we say ухо, we hear a at the end because o is not stressed. But you have to pay attention to not what we hear, but to how we spell it. As we spell o at the end, ухо will be neuter, not feminine, even though we hear a, ухо. And они, they, implies that most nouns that end in и are plural, like руки, они, ноги, они,